Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted another Starline package where we've fitted the Starline i96 and a tracker. So basically customer didn't want to really carry anything, so he wanted to just use buttons. So basically every time he jumps in the vehicle he has to go through a push sequence. If he doesn't do that, obviously if someone was to clone this key and try to start it, this is what would happen. So the vehicle would turn on and then cut out. There you go. So every time the customer gets in, turns on the ignition, doesn't put his foot on the brake and goes through a push sequence. And the way he would do that is just, we've set something very basic. So 1, 2, 3, receive your melody and start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. If he wanted to change the code, this is also very straightforward. And the way he would do that is first of all disarm the system. So basically turn the ignition on, disarm it, so 1, 2, 3, receive your melody, then hit this 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, key off, pause, key on, and you receive 5 bleeps. So on this particular car you can use this button, this button, this button or this button. So anytime you touch this button, if it's on the network it will give you a bleep. So we're going to set it here, so just something very basic. Receive a melody. Repeat it again. Receive a melody again. There you go, code is now learned. So if we turn off the ignition, leave it for about 10 seconds, wait for the system to arm, and then we'll try the code again. Also, when you want to take it for a service, you can also put it into valet mode, and I'm going to show you that shortly. So if I turn on the ignition now, try the old code, no melody. So ignition off, ignition on, new code, melody, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. When you take the car for a service and you need to put it into valet mode, this is also straightforward. So the way you would do that is ignition on, go for your disarm, 1, 2, 3, receive your melody, there you go, and then hit one of these buttons 11 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, key off, pause, key on. 2 bleeps. This is now a normal car. So no code, just basically start it. There you go. When you get the car back, to take it out of valet mode, just ignition on and put your code in. There you go, double bleep. This is now protected again. So ignition off. Let's just go to start it. Wait about 10 seconds. Try and start it. There you go, vehicle won't start again. Hope you found this quick video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.